This is Nikhil. In this video, I am going to give a brief introduction to a very interesting application of machine learning called cognitive computing. I am going to talk about our efforts to understand and emulate the capacity of a human brain on a computing machine. Cognitive science is more than just machine learning. It is an interdisciplinary field, and the fields involved range from psychology to anthropology to sociology and philosophy to computer science, and then there is human biology and the advances in medical technologies like brain imaging and so on. The ultimate aim of cognitive computing is to develop machines which can be taught how to do something rather than being programmed to do something. So far, IBM's Watson supercomputer is one of the famous examples of cognitive machines which has taken a step closer in this direction. It began in 1955 when the term artificial intelligence was first coined, when scientists first started trying to build models consisting of rules to simulate human intelligence. Our cognitive abilities include our ability to pay attention to something, ignoring many things happening simultaneously in the background, and language processing abilities like understanding the context and expressions, and our perception of things that affect our senses. The analogy between human brain and a computer has been there for a long time, but when people started trying to build machines that could approximate the human thought process, they fell short on many fronts. Given the storage and processing power constraints that they faced in the earlier days, artificial intelligence that they could create was a rules and probability based system which could work on solving deterministic and finite boundary problems like playing a game of chess. There are multiple models of intelligence which address the challenges in this field, and they can be broadly divided into statistical models or Bayesian models, the ones that we have been studying in this course, and then there are the cognitive models of intelligence like artificial neural networks. The remainder of this video will give a high-level overview of the two cognitive models proposed by researchers, one from each category that was mentioned earlier in the video. The first example deals with social learning, which can be defined as a process where human beings in a society arrive at conclusions or make decisions about something based on various factors like the source of the information, that is the one that they are getting the information from, their personal biases and opinions of the subject, their prior knowledge about the subject in question, and many more. This ability that we have come to possess is a result of years of evolution. The experiments conducted to model the social learning aspect of human cognition involved human participants who were exposed to stimuli with variation in regards to the physical features of the informants or the way in which information was delivered to the participants. After examining the results of the experiment and the results of the model proposed in this paper, researchers concluded that when making a decision, information acquired socially is given preference over their privately acquired prior knowledge of something. The second example deals with a metacognitive learning algorithm for an extreme learning machine classifier. Extreme learning machines is a name given to feed-forward neural networks for classification or regression. This class of algorithms record learning information in single step and do not alter stored information, which makes these algorithms faster than the others, which modify stored information based on feedback. The information present in data that is used to in the data that is used for training is often not distributed uniformly, and the proposed algorithm uses Gaussian activation function to take care of this problem. The proposed system consists of a metacognitive component which makes use of the knowledge existing in the other main component of the system, that is the cognitive component. The cognitive component is the one that does the actual learning here. The metacognitive component is responsible for deciding whether to apply the learning algorithm on the incoming test data set or not. Thank you. These are the reference materials that I used. Thank you.